Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Anker Soundcore Life P3i wireless Bluetooth earbuds with the model number A3993, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working, whether they're not connecting to your phone or other device, or not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear. A factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. If you can't get them fixed and you decide to buy a new set of earbuds, I'll put a link in the description to a good set of earbuds at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the pairing history off of them and everything like that, so you can set them up like they're a new set of headphones coming out of the box. It's really easy to do. You just need to put them in the case and leave the lid open and make sure they're properly seated within the case and there's a decent charge on everything. From there, you're just going to, on the bottom of the case, there's the button on there. You're just going to press and hold that button and keep an eye on this light. And just keep holding that button for about 10 seconds, and basically you'll wait till this light flashes 3 times in red and then flashes white. Once it flashes white, that means the reset's complete. You can go ahead and set these earbuds up like they're brand new coming out of the box.